Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Bulletproof Brain Octane MCT oil. This MCT oil is a powerful supplement, and I started taking it because I wanted to become more health conscious, and I wanted something that would help me with my energy levels and also help me with my cognitive function, mental clarity, and something that would help me with my cravings. So this was perfect for me. What I love about this MCT oil is its focus on the quality and purity, which provides me with a cleaner source of energy. I also like that it's a C8 focused MCT oil, so it is renowned for its rapid conversion into energy, and that makes it perfect for those who are on a ketogenic diet. But I also love that the Bulletproof brand is known for its commitment to quality. And what I like about it is that it is triple distilled and lab tested to ensure its purity. So I love taking this as an addition to my diet. If you are looking for a way to enhance your mental or physical performance, I think you should give this a try. And that's my point of view.